This is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today we've got one from... This is a confusion one. This is a noodle in search of an identity. This is Shen Gong Vietnamese beef noodle soup. It mentions that it's Chinois authentic, and that just means new Chinese. But it's a Vietnamese flavor, and it's packaged for sale in the U.S. market. So it's all sorts of challenged. Comes with a fork, deep. So you throw everything in. It doesn't say how many minutes on this, but I did one from this brand the other day and it said 5 minutes. And it's the same exact style noodle. It's a rice noodle like this. So I'm going to give this 5 minutes as well. So that's what's going on here. Vegetable. We've got, I'm guessing mostly MSG and seasoning. Curious about how their approximation of beef will be. Could be good, could be bad. You never know. But it's supposed to be beef pho, so it should have some, what flavors do you have? Star anise, cinnamon, a little bit of heat. Maybe, no, not really heat. That's a garnish. But basil. Oh, I could grab some basil from the garden. I could get it from my garden. Why do I say it like that? Well, because my kids, when they were wee, used to watch a lot of Elmo. And there's one where they go visit this kid in Australia that lives with his family in a dugout. Which I think, God, I want to live in a dugout. I think. Is there a line? There's no line. Ah. There we are, so it's right about there. Okay. We're going to dump all this in. Probably almost all of it. Yeah. I'm going to do 5 minutes. Alright, so there we go. Give this a little flip for now. So, like I mentioned on an earlier episode, there are ones that I can pull the label of the outside of the bowl off and scan beforehand, and ones that I can't. Well, this is one that I can't, because the whole bowl is one deal. There's no like layer outside thing. So, is this thing leaking? Did I just spill some water? I don't know. This may be leaking. Oh, I can't tell. I guess we'll find out in the end, right? It's got 5 minutes to make a really big mess if it's gonna. So, yeah, I'm breaking news every day about the whole Trump documents thing. That's getting funnier and funnier. Because he just basically keeps coming out saying, I had every right to do this. And it's like, no, legally, no. So it's like, if you're a defense guy for him, it's really an uphill battle. And you're probably not going to get paid. So, I lost the case, you're not getting paid. Which sounds like he brings a lot of lawsuits. And loses a lot of lawsuits. So. But it's June 26th. Cloudy right now, light breeze. 9 a.m. and it's Tuesday. Yeah. Getting inundated with email about Prime Day coming up. And it's like, for Amazon associates, which is what I am. So if you look in my posts on theramenrater.com, underneath the picture and the review, there'll be an Amazon link if you don't have an ad blocker on. And if you go there and you buy that thing or anything after clicking on that, I get a little bonus, right? So if you want to do that and buy other junk, that's cool. That'd be nice. But yeah, so they list all these things that they think you should put these on there because they're gonna be top sellers during Prime Day. All right. It's all crap. It's all crap everybody's already got. I mean, who needs any more Echo speakers? Who needs any more, what is it? Fire TVs, Echo speakers, and Roombas. Maybe an Instant Pot or two. Amazon toilet paper and paper towels. It's like, a lot of these things you can do better at getting at Costco. But no. Anyways. Yeah. They're getting rid of Star Trek Prodigy, which was like the Star Trek cartoon they had on Paramount Plus. We tried watching that. It was no. I just wish they would do Star Trek these days like they did Next Generation, DS9, Voyager, Enterprise. Everybody liked to watch that. This new stuff is just so out of left field, and it's not Star Trek. Discovery? Oh God, Picard? It's like they took the people that made CSI, which is probably what they did, and made it with a Star Trek theme. And so they've got all these people running around being super dramatic and being just plain silly. I just can't. I can't. It's not Star Trek. It's not. As you can tell, it gets my hackles up. Oh, let's see. How much time we got? I should do that now. Hold on. Because I'm going to be doing some tonkatsu. And I need to make sure, hold on, that I've got this thawed. And I'll do this one too. I just need one. I'm gonna do two. That one looks like a slightly larger size. There we go. I made a lot of this stupid mini chashu. It wasn't supposed to be mini, but I thought it would work out. It did not work out. It came out good, but it's just too small. It's like unusable. All right, here is our Chinese packaged for the U.S. market pho. Wrong way. Still gotta say I'm getting used to the positioning of this camera. It's supposed to be Vietnamese beef noodle soup. It's supposed to be pho. This does not smell anywhere, anyway, at all like it could even be possibly. Maybe they're just using the literal translation of pho, which is soup. Whoa, that's hot. Oh yeah, this is not. Oh my god. You know what this is? That oiliness. Oh. Wow. It's just a Chinese beef noodle. Wow. I was expecting some kind of like, I don't know, to taste like pho. This tastes nothing like pho. This is loaded down for bear with Sichuan pepper. Like industrial levels of Sichuan pepper. Ugh. It is mala times 10, folks. It's not this happy, touchy-feely. Yeah, no. Well, I don't feel so bad that I didn't get some basil out of the yard. Jeez. Some of that. A little bit of sesame. A little crushed red pepper there. Not that it needs it. Like I was iterating earlier, I don't really like this at all. No. Too monotone, it's spicy, very oily. I like oiliness in noodle, but this is just a lot. Here's some crispy onion there. So let's let it rotate and you can have a look at that. Alright, well thanks for watching this one. Definitely not a big fan. But this I should be a big fan of. This is Nissan's Big Soba. Where do I get it, Ramen Raider? It's teriyaki flavor yakisoba. Germany. Yes, Germany. Cool. Alright. That'll be on the next episode. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Like, subscribe, really helps me out. And thank you, and it makes me a very happy person. Have a good one, and bye-bye.